Guys, we are here next to the border. Laundry, washing machines, dryers. We're getting now, it's going to be ready and we're going to iron for the soldiers. This is not a base. This is in the fields and these soldiers are in front line to Gaza. A week and a half, he didn't do laundry and we're doing laundry right now. Wow, what a smell. Guys, we're booming Gaza right now. I'm trying to take my popsicle and with our best soldiers here. We brought them an ice cream truck. This is crazy. This is not normal what's going on. But guys, we are going to win. We are together. We're strong. Look at their smiles. Look at their smiles. This guy didn't sleep. How long you didn't do laundry?
About 2 weeks, 3 weeks, yep.
2-3 weeks, and we brought him the laundry here. You're going to have a smell. Unbelievable. Whoever's going to come next to you is going to just want to give you a hug, like me. So guys, be strong. We love you. Whatever you need, we're here for you. And don't forget, we are united together. And all my brothers and sisters from all over the world are with you. And they're hugging you. And we're not stopping for one moment.